RDDT stock analysis and Reddit stock predictions. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how I'm trading this and why. I've done well over 48,000 stock reviews over the last 5 years, and every single one is documented on this channel, so I know what actually makes me money and what doesn't. With Reddit, we can clearly see that it's starting to slowly accumulate. I mean, all these links you see from prior before, it's just me previously just catching the bottom. This is perfect. This was just really perfect. At the time, the price was like $100, and then we came up to like, it was 283, so that's like a 2.8%, 2.8x. Let's get rid of this. Ultimate goal is still that 283 level. Oh, I think that I'm kind of late in terms of the accumulation here. Either way, now we're anticipating more and more longs right here. So with how things are looking like, the price itself pulling down, even like these demand zones will be like a good zone to really go for longs, especially this one right here, which was not mitigated. So if we somehow do get the confirmations beneath here, I'll be more than happy to be a part of this. But even like it not going lower, right? If it just gives me the proper shift here, I'll be more than happy to take it up. But I'll be waiting for confirmation. That's it, really. So if you want to get my exact 3-step framework I use to trade profit beam, stay consistent, click the first link in the description. It is free. Bye bye.